What's happening, guys? It's the month of August and it's my and Lola box day. Yes! I quite like that actually. Really like that. What is this? Vegan collagen fueled nail zinc nail polish rapid remover pot for feet. Next product. What is this? It's ORLY and she's bright, she's yellow. It's more like a, I don't know how to call it, like a fluorescent yellow. She is called Glowstick. Yes, that is exactly how you should call that. It does, it looks like a glow stick. It's pretty awesome, right? So that will do some good for the summer bright colours. What have we got here? This is a big one. Ooh, what on earth? Nail zinc lacquer lock. I have no clue, we'll need to read the little thing for that. That looks insane, by the way. I thought it was black. I was like, whoa. Ooh, oh my goodness, that's actually gorgeous, isn't it? What crap. I don't even think that colour's coming through so well on there. What is it called? Flip Flop Fantasy. Hopefully we'll be able to see it better on my nails. And last but not least, oh, this one's tiny. Oh, there we go. It's Rose Dust by Mavala. It looks like it's maybe a bit iridescent. I'm not too sure. Not iridescent, just shiny. So let's get you zoomed in and we'll have a look at these nails. Before we start, that happened. Can't even see it on camera, it's that small. So do excuse the fact that they're all different sizes, but I'm still coming to terms with the fact that they even chopped off. So leave me alone. This is China Glaze Flip Flop Fantasy. And China Glaze with their tiny little brushes. That is actually just insanely small, by the way. Look. I've got toothpicks bigger than that. Wow. Okay. Good start. Like, is this for children or something? I mean, my nails are far too big for this. It doesn't exactly give you an even coat because it's so tiny. So it's dried in matte, which is strange. That's still streaky. Man, you can just see every stroke that you put in with that brush. So this is usually the point that I would do the OPI Rapid Dry on top. But the nail zinc lacquer lock is actually a top coat. I think we should try that. And we'll do the top coat at the end then. Moving on is ORLY Glowstick. Get your glow on. ORLY Super Bright Glowstick is a perfect neon yellow for sassy and loud nail look. I think this would be better with white underneath. And then you wouldn't have to do as many layers, I think. We will move on to the Mavala Rose Dust. You actually fit on the screen, you're that tiny and cute. I don't think I like this colour in the bottle. It's more brown than rose gold. Is it rose gold? Whatever, rose something. My nail has disappeared. It is, it's more like a nude. I'm not very keen on nudes. Now it's time for the nail zinc lacquer lock, which is a top coat. Let's put gloss into that, thankfully. Went on smooth, never pulled anything. I'm quite happy with that actually. Last but not least, after reading the blurb on this, it is actually for your nails as well. Enriched with collagen, this pot is perfect for no mess removal of even the brightest nail polish shades from your hand and feet. With a vegan formula and simple wide dip system, you can change your nail colour over with ease. Simply dip your nail or toe inside the applicator and leave to soak for a few seconds. Remove and wipe the nail dry. Repeat as necessary until your nail is clean. I do have to wonder though, right? I'm going to pull you out. How would you get your toe on there? Just one singular toe? I'm not too sure. Oh. Alright. Ah, that makes more sense. So what, into the top bit? No messing fast, manicure, pedicure, must have easy removal, nail polish in seconds without the need of cotton wool, peppermint scented. Oh. That, I don't know what that smells like, but it's no pepper. That like initial whiff was like mouthwash that you used to get at school. Mixed with ethanol. Oh, mate. Wow. I can assure you there's no peppermint in there. I'm just gonna make sure it is soaked there. Oh, it feels wet. It is wet. And I guess we'll take off this one. So what do? Just stick my finger in it. And leave it for a minute. Simply twist the mini sponge line cap around and over your toes. See, really, I think this one is just meant to be made for your toes. And then if you wanted your finger, then you would just stick it in a bottle. But it's really soft. So now it doesn't want to turn as easy as it did. Okay. We'll try it in the bottle. Ah. Oh, it absolutely stinks, by the way. Yeah, I mean, these things are all well and good, I think, for just to get. But see, if you're looking for it to do everything, it's not going to take off everything on your nail. Well, and I can assure you it does not smell like peppermint. So overall, quite happy with this box. The China Glaze, it's a bit strange, dries matte, but it's really pretty neon. Again with ORLY, amazingly neon. A lot easier to go on than the China Glaze. The Mavala Rose Dust, it's just maybe not my colour, so I'll pass that on to someone else. The Nails Ink Lacquer Lock, that's actually a really good top coat. I've been wearing it for about a day now. I'm quite happy with that. And the nail polish remover, I don't know if I'd use that again, to be honest, because it's really strong smelling. And I mean, I just find it easier just putting little cotton bits on my nails. So, but this month's box was well decent, and that's it for this month.